Hi English scholars, welcome to week 4. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what is due this week and my expectations, and then I'll be creating another video to talk to you a little bit about the week 2 quizzes and what I noticed were the weaknesses and what were the strengths. But just for this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about what is due and walk you through the course site. So just as you know, on the left toolbar, you'll notice there is an announcements tab. You should check that every day if you're not notified via email when a new announcement is updated. So I would ask that every day you check the announcements page, if not every day, at least twice a week. It is crucial that you look here for what is due for the upcoming week. So you'll notice that every time a new week starts, I've posted an announcement. I also post announcements with notes, some helpful reminders, some important dates. So please, please, please check the announcements page daily if you can. So you'll notice here is where I kind of sum up last week's unit, and then I introduce you to Editha. Okay, so your assignment for this week is to not only review the video that's entitled Reading the Assignment, which is under the Unit Videos tab on the left, but you will also be reading Howell's text, and you will also be responding under the Course Dialogue tab. All right, so last week you did not have a formal assignment. I just asked you to complete some readings, but that is crucial as we move forward, okay? So even though you didn't have a formal written assignment, I hope you took some notes and you made some annotations of how all of these realist texts kind of work together and what is the picture that you're getting, not only of the time period, but of the setting, okay? And also of the structure. How do the realists structure their writing, okay? That's really important to talk about their literary choices and why they make the choices that they do. So think about that. So over on the left, you're going to click Course Dialogue, and you'll notice that the Course Dialogue includes the formal discussion for week 4. So I'm asking you to talk about how Howell's text embodies realism. That's going to be in one paragraph. Then in the second paragraph, you're going to talk about how Howells is trying to teach his readers about the reality of war or the reality of the relationships between men and women. Please use textual evidence, cite them properly to support your assertions. And finally, you have to respond to 2 peers to receive full credit. And when you respond to your peers, respond to their discussion related to Howell's portrayal of war and or relationships. Please add questions, facilitate discussion. I'll be posting some examples of what I'm looking for in response to facilitating discussion a little bit. Okay? So your initial response is due Friday. Your responses to your peers, they are due on Sunday. Please, 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 if you have any questions, let me know, okay?